If you're experiencing a server timeout error in PUBG, specifically error 2025, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official PUBG server status page or social media channels to see if there are any ongoing server issues or maintenance. If the servers are down, you will need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your game. Close PUBG completely and restart it. This can help refresh your connection to the servers and may resolve temporary glitches causing the timeout error. Step 3. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. You can do this by running a speed test or trying to connect to other online services. If your connection is weak, consider resetting your router or switching to a wired connection. Step 4. Adjust firewall and antivirus settings. Sometimes, firewalls or antivirus software can block the game from connecting to the servers. Check your firewall settings and add PUBG as an exception, or temporarily disable your antivirus to see if that resolves the issue. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If none of the above steps work, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling PUBG. This can fix any corrupted files that may be causing the server timeout error. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the server timeout issue and get back to playing PUBG. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to PUBG support for further assistance.